Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI.
And these are the slim velvet hangers by Amazon Basics. And let me tell you, as I'm getting older, I just get excited about things like these hangers because I need things to match. What I like about them right away is how elegant they look. These hangers are more than just nice looks, but they're also very well made and very convenient to use. I really like that the velvet material is soft and very useful because it holds any clothing very well. That way, nothing slips out of the hanger. These hangers are very useful for any type of clothing. It can hold my dress shirts, pants, or for example, it's very convenient that the hangers have a little dip on them. These are perfect to hang my wife's shirts or dresses that have a spaghetti strap. So really, these work perfect for any type of clothing.
And that is my point of view.